Welcome to this quick guide where I'm going to show you how to use the same signature that you have in Outlook 365 on the webmail version of Outlook. And if you get any value out of this video, please click the like button and subscribe to the channel. But to get started with the guide, if you want to use the same signature that you have in the desktop version of Microsoft Outlook on the webmail version of Outlook, the first thing you need to do is click on File, then click on Options, then click on Mail, then on Signatures. Then here, make sure that you select the signature that you want to use on the webmail version of Outlook. And here, click inside of the body of the signature, then click and drag so you can select everything that's inside of that signature. Then press Ctrl and C on your keyboard so you can copy it. Then you can click on Cancel and close this window. Then click on File again, and then click on this button here so you can go to Outlook on the web or the webmail version of Outlook. If you don't have that option, just manually go to the webmail version of Outlook. Then next, once you're here, click on this little settings icon up here. Then click on Compose and Reply. And then here you'll find this email signature. Next, click on New Signature. And then you'll need to give the signature a name. I'm just going to call this Outlook Web. Next, if you scroll down, here, you'll find the body of your signature and you can click inside of it so you can see this cursor where you can type. Then press Ctrl and V, and that's going to paste the signature into this box. Then you can click on Save, and it's going to save that signature. Now here, if you scroll down, you can select your default signatures. For new messages, you can then select the signature that you just created, and for replies and forwards you can also select the new signature that you just created and then click on Save, and then you can close this window. Now if you create a new email, your signature should be added to that new email. Now in case the same thing happens to you, like it happened to me here, where you have a picture inside of your signature and it didn't copy and paste correctly, we can exit out of this and go back to the desktop version of Outlook, then go back to Options, click on Mail, click on Signatures until you get to the signatures again. Then click on this picture inside of your signature and then right click on it and then click on Save as Picture. And then I'm just going to choose the desktop of my computer, but you can save this anywhere on your computer. And then I'll call this Signature. And then I'll just click on Save. And it's going to save that picture to my computer. And I'll just cancel out of the signatures again. And then go to Outlook on the web. Go back to the settings icon. Compose and Reply. And then here, I'll just select the signature from this drop-down menu that I already created. And I'm going to select this picture, which isn't showing. Then I'm just going to press Delete on the keyboard so I can get rid of it. And then to add the new picture, I'll click on Insert Pictures in Line. Then I'll go to Desktop because that's where I saved the picture. And this one called Signature is the correct one. So I'll select it and then click on Open. And that's going to add this picture to my signature. Now it's a lot bigger than it was in my original signature. So I'll just click on one of these corners and just drag it and resize it until the desired size. Then I'll click on Save and then close out of this window and then click on New Mail. And now down here, if you see where I can compose a new email, I have the same signature that I had in the desktop version of Microsoft Outlook. So I hope this guide's been useful. Please like the video and I'll see you in the next one.